Hey guys, I want to be anything but poor, so now I tell you how to fast make money online on your phone for free. You will earn money doing a simple task as watch a video or see pictures. If it sounds great for you, so watch this video until the end. Here we go. The first application where you can make money on your phone called is Daily Status. You can choose a category in this tab and after you see any picture. You click on the picture and after you saw it, you will earn money in this application. How it works? For example, click on this picture, watch a short ad, click here and that's it. Click again. Like this post and go to the home page. Click on this picture, see it and watch a short video. And again. And then you will get a points. Go to this tab My Earning and now I have 125 points. It's point 125. For this picture I have earned, and as you can see, it's very easy to do. You can use my referral code to get benefits from this application. If you're interested in, you can give. So I think it's very cool application because you only watch a picture and earn for this. It's amazing. I have never seen an application which gives you opportunity to earn money online. Link of this application will be in description of this video. And now I want to tell about next cool application for earn money on your phone. And the next application code is Earneo. This is application for people who like to watch a lot of videos online. For example, you can choose as a previous application any video. Here, click on this and after you watch this video, you will receive a points on your balance. Click on your profile, your earning is here. Click on this wallet and now I have $0.07 on my wallet. If I watch any video from here, for example this video, I choose, for example this is short video, click here and watch this video until the end. You can use the great function in this application is autoplay. If you click here, you nothing to do. You put your phone on the table and go away and your phone will earn money for you. Sounds great. Let's do this. I watched this video until the end and now I return to my wallet. Click on my wallet and as you can see my balance have been increased. It's very easy to do. If you want to earn money in this application, you can upload your own video. Click here, enter video title, choose a category of your video, for example like food, like games. Click here to put your text, type a description of this video and click on the add a video. And after people who stay in this application will watch your video and you will receive a reward on your wallet. If you want to get your money from this application, withdrawal minimum is 200 RNO. It's cryptocurrency. You can exchange this is money, for example PayPal, like you. Link of this application will be in description of this video. Only you need is watch a short videos and earn money here. My friend, this is the end of video and I'll tell you how to fast make money online on your phone. If you subscribe our channel and like this video, I will be happy. So if you can do it, please do it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.